Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back in this lecture which gives a general view on the course. Well, this course was created to help people who want to visit Marrakech to benefit from their visit and save their time and money. According to my experience that I had in selling products in a handicraft exhibition, I have met a lot of tourists and I was asking them about their trips. And they were complaining about things like the highest prices, the seller scams, the deception of drivers, etc. And I was thinking about avoiding that. And at the end of the day, I found out that I had to create this course for the following reasons. First, giving you some information and tricks about Marrakech that you cannot find online. The second reason, helping you to be your own tour guide for more enjoyment. And the third, help you to make the best decision that can save both your time and money. In short, in this course, I'm not gonna tell you where to reserve or where to eat, but instead, I'm gonna give you some information and tricks and helping you to make the best decision without any advertisement. But if I want to talk about a service in Marrakech that there's only one company that offers that service, I will tell you its name and address, naturally without any advertisement. And if you want a specific research or information about Marrakech, don't hesitate to leave me a message and I will research for this information for you. Bye for now and see you in the next lecture.